What do square brackets mean in pip install? I see more and more commands like this. What do these square brackets do?
The syntax that you are using is. In your case, you are installing the Splinter package, which has the added support for Django. The square brackets are not specific syntax, just convention. Really, you are installing the package named Splinter Django. An explanation from Chetner. The command pip install Splinter Django would install two packages named Splinter and Django. Splinter Django, on the other hand, installs a variant of the Splinter package which contains support for Django. Note that it has nothing to do with the Django package itself, but is just a string defined by the Splinter package for a particular feature set that gets enabled.
Brackets, optional, in pip signify optional dependencies. Just in case another developer comes along looking to implement this pattern in their own Python package deployment, here's further explanation of the brackets in pip. For example, Apache Airflow. To install Airflow from pip we use this command. You can install optional components of Airflow with When we search pipi for Apache Airflow, note that the optional packages do not show up. Implementation via setup.py. You can see how this was accomplished in the setup.py script. On the left in setup.py, extras_require is defined. On the right are the correlated installation commands for these optional sub-packages.
Pretty sure these are setup tools extras. This URL. Sometimes a project has recommended dependencies that are not required for all uses of the project. For example, a project might offer optional PDF output if ReportLab is installed, and restructured text support if DocuTools is installed. These optional features are called extras.
May be worthwhile to know that this optional package syntax admits multiple extras, separated by comma within the brackets, as in, as per the pip manual.
If you want to continue, claro, considere subscrevendo.